Hi, this is Richard C., and I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This is a very classic word problem. You're going to see problems like this quite a lot in algebra, and so you should just get used to the idea of seeing these kinds of things. I'm going to give you a method that I like. It's a table-based method of figuring out what to do. First thing you have to do is recognize that this is a rate times time problem. So I think you should know the formula. Rate times time equals distance. I'm going to set it up this way. Usually people refer to this as D equals RT, but I want to set it up like this. Okay, so here's our table. And it's going to make columns here. And we have two trains, so I'll just call them A and B. Here's train B. Okay, so 900 kilometers apart at the time that they both leave and travel toward each other. I'm not going to put that in the table yet because all I have in the table are entries for each particular train. Well, train A, let's say, is 15 kilometers faster than train B. So this would be, if train B were R, this would be R plus 14. And so that takes care of the rate, and they meet in 3 hours. So the time elapsed is going to be 3 for both trains because they are each traveling for 3 hours before they meet. Okay. So let's just multiply this out. So it's going to be 3 times R plus 14, and then 3 times R. And we know that the total distance traveled is 900 kilometers, so we're just going to set up an equation. 3 times R plus 14 plus 3R is equal to 900. I'll distribute the 3 now. You're going to get 3R plus 42 plus 3R equals 900. So 6R is going to be 858. And R turns out to be 143. And then R plus 14, because we need the other one as well. R plus 14 is equal to 157. And that's it. Those are the two rates. If you wanted to check these, you would just say, okay, let me just change color. And you could check these. So this would be 143. Oh, sorry, 157 here, 143. Multiply each one by 3. So let's do that on the calculator. 471. And then 143 times 3 is going to give you 429. And that's kind of reassuring. They add up to 900. And also it's reassuring to see that the train A, which is the faster train, covered a greater distance, and that's just additional confirmation that you've done this problem correctly. So these problems are nice. You just have to recognize the type of problem it is. I use tables quite a bit when I'm doing word problems, and I find that it's the best way to approach a problem because once you've set up the shell, you can just read the problem over and over as necessary and fill in the various parts of the shell. And then it's usually fairly clear where to go from there. Okay, so I hope that was helpful to you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.